In this series, it's all about Field Destroy. And what we're going to do, like that woofer there, is just destroy the ever-living Jesus out of it. Whether it's dropping off a roof, shooting it with a gun, lighting it on fire, plugging it into the wall, feeding it way too much power to make it mechanical distortion to just blow up. If you have ideas and you want to see more, stick around because more episodes are going to come. This is just an introductory to show you what our plans are, because we got plenty of woofers that come through our door that are blown, not working properly. Let's do something exciting. Kind of like, you know, breaking a table in the meantime. Guys, have a wonderful day. Stay up to date on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. You know the drill. Do whatever stuff is on the internet right now, and just make sure that you are following to stay up to date. Don't hurt yourselves. Don't do what I just did, because you could get hurt. Kind of like I did 3 years ago. But I'm a professional now, because I have mistakes and scars, and I've learned. You don't want to learn like I did, because that sucked.
I don't think it's good anymore, Doc. I think she's a little